Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing my daily routine with you. I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed it filming. Usually I start my day with a cup of tea when I can't imagine my life without tea. So tea actually plays a huge role in my life. Next, I check my to-do list and vision board because that really helps to keep in mind that what are the things I want for my life and what I have to do for it. And then I check my routine for the day which I already made last night. After that, I pick up a book and read for at least 1.5 hours. Today I am reading Crushing It by Gary Vee. Before starting work, try to read books because that really helps to make your day more productive. And yes, this is how I start my day. Now it's time to make some breakfast. So today I am making a very easy milkshake. To make it we need some muesli, milk, honey and a banana or any fruit you can take. And for garnishing I will be using some seeds, but it's totally optional. I have brought muesli and seeds from Amazon. I have given the link in the description below so you can order from there as well. Here I am adding 2 spoons of muesli, milk and I will add some amount of honey. And I will also add the banana in small pieces. And then I'm using 1 spoon of seeds, but it's totally optional. And then I will blend it. Here it's ready now, but for garnishing I'm using these seeds on the top of the shake. And yeah, that's fine. It's ready to have. After having breakfast, I take shower and I start my work. Usually at this time I work from my Instagram or I read some articles on Google. It really depends on my mood. Now it's time to have lunch. We Bengalis are little bit foodie, so without 4-5 dishes we really feel incomplete. And yes, my mother cooks really well. After lunch I take 2.5 hour break, and either at this time I take nap or I watch series on Netflix depending on my mood. And then again I start working. At this time I work for my YouTube, I do editing and all, and sometimes I do my online courses as well, and this continues till 10 o'clock. And yes, this is how I end my day. like this video, then please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.